Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create a community on Microsoft Teams. Also, I wonder why you want to create a community on Microsoft Teams. It is because you want to gather all the peoples of the same interest, or maybe you're in a company where you just got the task to create a community of people to work on a project, or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Now simply just tap on the Microsoft Teams app icon to open the app. After the app gets opened, this is the interface of the app that you will see. This is the first phase that you will see. It has a lot of different options. We have few options on the top of the page, in the middle of the page, and even in the bottom of the page. So now what we have to do is we have to select this home icon, which is the left bottom side of the screen. Once you click on it, you will see there we have the option to create communities. So here we have a lot of different options through which we can create community. So here we can create it from scratch, or maybe we can create it from the templates. It's all up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. So here we have like sports, youth organization, project. You can choose any one of these. You just have to simply tap on it and can do some customization and your community will be created. Otherwise, if you click on create from scratch, then you have to create the community from scratch on your own. So you can choose any one of these options, whatever you like, you can go with it. So here I'm just tapping on it, and now we will create a community from scratch. First, we have to give a name to your community. It could be anything, whatever you like. You just have to simply tap on it, and there you have to upload a profile picture of the community. You can click at the moment, or maybe you can select it from your mobile phone photo gallery. And once you're done with that, you have to type the description of the group. In the description, you just have to explain what the group is about. You just have to like explain the group in 1 to 2 lines. It could be anything, whatever you like to add, you can add it. After that, you have to write the regulations, or you could say guidelines of the group. In the guidelines, you can type something like this group should not include this group should not consist of this. Like you explain what are the do's and what are the don'ts in the groups. And once you're done with it, at the bottom we have this option. Through this option, you will make the group private. For example, if someone has to be added into this group, if they will ask you, so you have to give them a permission. If you disable it, then anybody can be added into a group without your permission. After that, just simply click on create, and your community will be created in a while. It will just take a second and the community will be created. And there you can see we just created this community. Now you can manage it, you can mark events, photos, files, and different stuff. So if you want to create a community from scratch, so you can also do it. You just have to click on this option and then select any one of these options according to your preferences. Now you can change its name, you can change its profile picture, you can change its description, its guidelines, and different stuff. After that, just simply click on create, and the community will be created. This was the easiest way I know through which you can create communities on Microsoft Teams. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.